Across Main Street, the story was familiar. Small business owners like Sarah the baker, Mark the carpenter, and Emily the boutique owner faced daily battles. Manual tasks, endless paperwork, and the constant struggle for efficiency often overshadowed their passion, turning their dreams into demanding routines. It wasn't just business owners. Professionals in various fields felt the drain of repetitive, time-consuming tasks. Teachers spent hours grading, mechanics wrestled with outdated information, financial advisors struggled to analyze vast datasets, and marketing teams battled writer's block. Technology was meant to help, but often, it added to the workload with its own complexities. Then came the AI revolution. It wasn't about radical new tech, but about artificial intelligence, making technology smart, predictive, and proactive. Sarah, the baker, invested in an AI-powered system that analyzed her sales data to predict demand. Suddenly, she knew exactly how many croissants to bake, reducing waste and boosting profits. The impact was immediate and widespread. Sarah's AI system streamlined her operations. For Mark, the carpenter, AI-powered design tools automatically calculated material needs, eliminating costly errors and speeding up project planning. Emily's boutique used AI to manage inventory, forecast fashion trends, and even personalize recommendations for customers, turning her small shop into a smart business. And it wasn't just small businesses. In schools, teachers like Maria found that AI assistants transformed their classrooms. AI could personalize learning paths for each student, offer instant feedback on assignments, and even automate repetitive grading tasks. This led to more dynamic lessons and, crucially, freed up Maria to focus on individual student needs, not just paperwork. In professional services, AI became a powerful co-pilot. Financial advisors like Priya used AI to analyze vast client datasets in minutes, identifying market trends and personalized investment opportunities previously impossible to spot. Marketing managers like Ben leveraged AI to generate diverse content ideas, analyze campaign performance, and even automate routine social media posts, boosting their reach and impact. Now, you might be asking, won't AI take our jobs? How will we earn our living? This isn't the first time we've faced this fear. Think back to when computers first arrived. Many worried they would be replaced. But what happened? While some jobs changed, a whole new world of opportunity opened up for those who learned new skills. We didn't stop being human, we adapted. We created new industries, new careers, and new ways to solve problems. So, what was the real impact of this AI revolution on middle-class jobs and businesses? It wasn't about replacing people, but empowering them. It opened doors for those less tech-savvy, making complex roles more accessible. Efficiency soared, customer satisfaction improved, and businesses across Main Street could compete and grow, even against larger corporations. The AI revolution continues to shape our world, proving that by embracing intelligent tools, we don't just survive, we thrive. What's your experience with AI at work? Let us know in the comments below.